What's up guys, Ivan here, and this is 2019 Mercedes AMG S63 4MATIC Plus Cabriolet, and this is the white optional key with this beautiful car. And this is more like an elegant spec, but still, because this is AMG, it looks aggressive. So as you can see, this car has a Pan-American grille, it has also the night package, and it has a beige roof. So if we take a look, this car has a mocha black paint design or finish. And this is the spec for the car. It has an exclusive AMG porcelain and brown espresso interior. And now it's a sale for this particular car. The red price is the sale. And it has these optional packages. So from the rear, you can see it has LED tail lamps, which have individual OLED lights, and they look very, very nice. So this is the silhouette with the roof up. This is the beige roof. You can have a black one, blue, beige, and then the dark red. So I think this is a very nice contrast. It is a soft top, as you can see. This is a fabric. It has a 3-layer isolation, and this is a real glass. Behind that you can see the Burmester sound speakers. So really cool spec, very elegant. And I'm going to show you how you can put down the roof. You can do it with the key. So let's press the unlock button and hold it, and the roof will start to go down and into the boot space. Actually, I will show you there later how it looks in the boot and if the roof takes a lot of space. So you can see you can pause this process if you release your thumb from the key fob. And when you continue to hold it, the unlock button, then it will open fully. And it looks just beautiful. It looks like a yacht or something like that. You can put down all 4 windows. And yeah, it is just a fantastic looking cabriolet. So in the front, we have Swarovski crystals, and these are the LED intelligent lights, so like a multi-beam predecessor. You have large intakes for the air, so you have enough cool air for the engine. And these lights can cut out ongoing traffic. They are very smart. So this is black, these parts, otherwise they would be chrome. But they are black because this car has a chrome package. They are also radiators. And yeah, for the engine, this is a tow hook. And you can see there is a 360 camera, front camera. And behind the emblem, you have various radars for the systems. And yeah, it just looks great. I like these 2 ridges on the hood. With them, the car looks very aggressive. And you have also the Mercedes-Benz badge. So these are the cross-spike forged AMG wheels, and you can see also carbon ceramic brakes. You can see it because the caliper is like orange, or you can say bronze. And these tires are 255 40/20 inch Michelin Pilot Sport 3 tires. So I really like these alloy wheels, they look really good. So you have V8 bi-turbo 4MATIC Plus badge. So this car can put down the power with all 4 wheels, but primarily this is a rear-wheel drive car. You have this new interior and new steering wheel, which I will show you later. And it is just beautifully exposed without the roof. You can see everything inside of this beautiful interior. And you can see also the ambient lighting. And yeah, this is just a really gorgeous car. Let me know what you think about it. If you like it more than the coupe, or do you prefer the coupe shape. So it looks very nice, the proportions and these tail lamps, all LED as you can see. They are just stunning. You can see Burmester high-end sound system, which is exposed, and this brown espresso decor. You have emblem for the AMG and also emblem for the S63. And the rear camera is actually under the badge, so it's always clean. So just a rear 3/4 view. You have 4 exhaust pipes and a diffuser in between them. The exhaust pipes are black because this is a night package. If you don't order the night package, then you would have a chrome. exhaust pipes. This additional spoiler gives you more downforce, and also it's nice for the aesthetics. You have 2 pipes inside. So one is for the AMG performance exhaust, so if you press the button, then you would have a more noise from the exhaust, and believe me, this is very noticeable. So this is the engine, V8 engine, 4.0 liter, handcrafted from the Folterbach, and coupled with AMG Speedshift MCT 9-speed sport transmission, which is multi-clutch transmission. You have 2 turbochargers inside of the cylinder banks. So on each side you have 4 cylinders, together it's 8 cylinders, and in between you have 2 turbochargers. So this is a biturbo engine, and it produces massive 612 horsepower, which is 450 kilowatts, and it can sprint from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds, or to 60 miles per hour in 3.4. It has a 900 newton meters of torque, and that was the name of the person which handcrafted this particular engine. You can see the heat shields are everywhere, behind the engine and in front of the engine, because this engine produces a lot of power. You have also a windshield reservoir for the liquid, and here is a battery. So yeah, just stunning engine, makes stunning noise. So let's close it. Soft close mechanism. Alright guys, so this interior of this particular vehicle has a porcelain and brown espresso interior. So this is a porcelain color, and this is a brown espresso. You have these floating lines decor as well, and it looks just stunning. This is like a brushed leather, brushed leather, and soft top is very isolated. It's a 3-layer soft top roof. So yeah, really fantastic. So here you have some controls for the seats and memory seats. This is for the seat ventilation. This is for the, let me just start the ignition. And you can see AMG logo here. So which is really cool. So I can now show you that this is for the seat ventilation. I can already hear it, maybe you too. This is for the seat heating. And this is the air scarf, which is blowing hot air on your neck, so you are cozy and warm during winter. So it's actually right here. It's the best interior or nothing. And on the top we have this roof, which is 3-layer climate roof, so you can be isolated very nicely in this vehicle. And in case and the rear seats are the same as in front, you have also this middle armrest, Burmester speaker, some cup holders. So yeah, pretty cool. So for a short journey you can put 4 adult passengers here. It's not an issue. Not a lot of room, but again, it's also not impossible. And we can now take a look how it looks when the roof is going up, when you want to close the roof. As you can see, it has 3 layers, and you can pause right here, and if you continue to hold the lock button, then it will continue to close, and it will close above the speakers, obviously, so they don't go wet. And yeah, just a stunning design. You don't have a B pillar with this vehicle, obviously. And here is a boot space. So there is a part where the roof is stored. So there is a sign for you, like a warning. So you don't put the luggage space in that space. So the roof can be stored properly. You have a first aid kit, 12-volt socket. So you can use it for like a vacuum or something like that. Then you have a trickle charger, so you can plug in your battery if you don't drive often this car. And this is the AMG private lounge envelope, so you can register in this private lounge club. And you have also the bag, which you can store things inside, and I believe it is the same size, so it goes under the roof. Behind the floor you have a subwoofer, and you can lower the boot space for heavy objects, and you have also the triangle in case of an emergency. And it is electrical. You can close it either from the key fob or by hand by the button. So let's close it. So yeah guys, that would be it for this video. Let me know how do you like this magnificent and gorgeous car, and subscribe for plenty more videos. And that's it guys, I will see you soon. Take care and have a great day.